Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Judy. So today we are here in Crimson in Mactan Island for our anniversary of my husband, wedding anniversary. So it's been quite a while already being together. I want to show you around here in Crimson, and it's a very nice place. For a quick getaway from the city, and for your family getaway, for your if you're newly married, it's also nice. It's a nice place to be in. Okay, so I want to tour you around, so be with me and see you at the end.